Hello guys, this is 2 by 2 cube. Yellow opposite white, blue opposite green, red opposite orange. This is the upper layer U, right layer R, down layer D, front layer F, back layer B, left layer L. So here we are using a notation RIDI RD. When right layer is moving clockwise, it is called as the R. Right layer moving anti-clockwise is called as the RI. Down layer moving anti-clockwise is called DI. Down layer moving clockwise is called as the D. So notation is RIDI RD, and we are always working on the right side. RIDI RD. Our next step is to reach this goal, to complete the white layer with 2 red, 2 green, 2 orange and 2 blue. This is a scrambled cube. Search for any white piece. So this is white and red. Keep it on the left corner. Find the second white and red piece. So it's over here. Keep it diagonally and use the formula RIDI RD to bring it on the upper layer, and use the complete formula RIDI RD, RIDI RD, RIDI RD, RIDI RD, RIDI RD. After getting white, complete the notation D also. So RIDI R and D. Don't stop after getting the white on the top. You have to complete the notation RIDI RD. Now next, switch the upper layer. Now find white and blue. Bring it diagonally. So it may be facing right, it may be facing down, but keep it diagonally. Use RIDI RD and bring it on the upper layer. RIDI RD. So complete your formula. Now switch the upper layer. Now here we need white and orange. So find white and orange. It's over here. Keep it diagonally. Use the notation RIDI RD. So complete the notation. Here white layer is done with 2 orange, 2 green, 2 red and 2 blue. So by fluke I got the yellow layer also done here. Thank you.